Hey guys, it's Marty with Controlled Access. I just wanted to document this morning, a little bit out of the ordinary, but this is probably the last known, that I know of, Allister Larko Mk IV slide gate operator. The date code on this is 1993, so that's coming up on 30 years old. July of next year, it'll be 30 years old. So if you look down inside, you can see we got a series of tooth gears and belts. They're tooth belts, they're not V-belts. These belts are still available at Granger, but I'll tell you now that replacing these belts is an all-day affair. You got to take the whole gate operator apart. This is the lock solenoid, runs off of a transformer, so when it closes, that solenoid kicks down and locks the gears in place. Come down here to the logic board. This is the main control board back here. This is the power board. This is the logic board. Not that it matters, but you can't even buy those anymore. This is the main transformer, 24 volts AC. There's two fuses here, 15 amp and a half amp. Here's your main power switch. These are the limit nuts, and these are the limit switches. This is the close limit, and the other one in the back is the open limit. Now to adjust that, you push this down and you can turn this nut. When you're done, make sure it locks in place. Make sure both of them lock in place. You'll hear it click. Boom. I got a multi-code radio right here. I've got a Omron E3K photo eye, and I've got a linear AK11 keypad. I've got all of those running off of the main transformer. The keypad is wired in to common and hold open. The photo eye is wired in to common and safety loop. And the multi-code is wired into common and, where did I put it? Alternate. Common and alternate. See number 12 and 13. What that does is just like a one button control. Open, close, stop. The motor's down here. The motors are still universally readily available. It's just like it is just like an Elite motor or Eagle, or even the some of the LiftMaster motors. It's a half horse 110. This is the reset button. If it ever overloads, just push that, you'll hear a little click. So anyway, there it is, the Allister Mk IV, or the Larko. This was called the Larko. These were used a lot up in the Northeast with the old high security slide gates back in the day. Anyway, not sure how much longer this thing will go, but I've given it its 4th or 5th life now. I think those belts might last another 2 years, but we'll see. Enjoy.